Gosh.
This place is really neat.
This is so cool.
Look at this.
Like,
This thing is cool.
okay, we're at our bed and breakfast. What am I talking about? We're at our cooking class. Hold on, I need to take a picture. Okay, we're at our cooking class, and the cook lady. Okay, first of all, we were driving here. Mom, we were driving here, and some random chick pulled up next to us on a motorcycle because we pulled over because we didn't know where we were. And she goes, roll down your window. And then she was like, cooking class? And we were like, yep.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him and spoke.
Dad, how do you think you did?
Probably the best one here.
How do you think you did, Tom? All the pasta is pretty freaking good. Mine's the best.
Reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did.
Fresh. She adds it at the end when the sauce is ready because it's fresh and this way it keeps the freshness. It keeps its taste.
Questo lo mettiamo per fare le busche.
We use a little bit of.
Is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind.
Yeah, baby. That's the way I like it.
Now this mixture has to cook brown, and once it's brown, she adds the tomatoes. And
So good.
Per fare una buona riuscita. Poi mettiamo vino bianco.
she adds white wine.
Dad still has his apron on. So do I.
So do I.
Oh, so do you.
This wine is really good.
Hey guys, so we just finished our cooking class. I give it a solid 9 out of 10 experience.
Why?
Just because, like,
No, in
I've had
Italy,
better
you're
pasta
always-
than that.
No, but you're always supposed to give it 5 stars, no matter.
It was really fun. We met people and we learned some Italian swear words. So now we're going to Monte Carlo
Wait, what
because
is
it's
it?
like really close to where Lucca is.
Vaffanculo.
Vaffanculo.
Psicopatico.
So now we're going.
Psychopath.
That's not a swear word though. We're going to Monte Carlo, and then we're going back to Lucca, and then we stay in Lucca tonight, and then in the morning we drive 6 hours to the Amalfi Coast.
Yep, can't wait to actually kill myself.
Woo.
Oh, bitch.
Just fell off the freaking cliff, why don't ya? So,
You probably just zoomed in on my mustache hair.
are you okay?
Shay did that last
Are
night.
you
Are
okay?
you alright?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Dave, are you alright?
Look what you did to him.
Are you?
I don't think so.
I am. Oh. It's all. It's all.
Sorry.
Come on, let's go.
No, hold on. Shut the door.
Watch it.